yo.
Abang me.
Mary ke ebe.
Abang Mary.
Anjomgo ke fo men edio.
Me rong ami me ne gen dik be mendi.
Akbarawa. Ami maku fima. Mary ke be.
He say you are welcome to the Big Buddha's kingdom.
Oh, mi go kika.
Iko kutong adim for now.
Boni manutong. Dawa ya kam.
Greet de bang. Abang. I greet you.
Ayara wadi.
Ate ki mu ko mo.
Ayaka kam mi nefe.
Ko uto.
Dawa ya pya kam mi.
Greet de bang. Abang I greet you.
Ayara wadi.
Ate ki mai su ko kom.
Dawa ya ki kam ke mi. Dawa ya kam mi.
Greet them.
Like how you greet here? Abang, well done, sir.
Ayara wadi.
Ate ya for where on sa.
Awara wadi.
Ya for tie ke sa.
Ayara wa min tie ke sa.
Ko uto.
Ni sama ke yedi. Ami ngo nya yong tie ngura yidem. Dawa ye me ndira enye idi ebe komi.
They say wetin carry you come a Big Buddha's kingdom.
See, I have a very serious problem. It's a very critical one anyway, but I don't know if you can help me solve it.
Nzombo ke yara dawa.
Ate ki mi ni a serious problem. We fe ado very critical.
Ndiri critical.
Fana si ban ten ten.
Ufna se tien ten ten. Mba matamma. Mairo. Doye ke mi nya twa yembom. Koro amindi abasi ana ikpa mkpa ma use oro ami ngena mde imion hane ufok ikam hane ntemman.
What? He said that it's a God that do big thing that they will cry for you. Back in the days that they make maize to smell nice and peace turn to wine.
What?
Water.
Ndombo ke nyaka.
Ate what?
Awara riri.
Water.
Ndiri water.
Mong.
Mong. Mong ntite ba yemma.
Abeganye.
Ni sama ke yedi. No ya mentiri mfanasi.
So what be your problem?
I work with the whites.
Which kind white?
Ndombo ke yara.
Ate ki na mutomi a white.
Ndiri white.
Mfiawo.
Ndi ntite ba.
And so?
And my client don't seem to be paying.
Wait, I don't understand this your work. What thing do they do?
Press now.
Ansuke yara.
Abo ki si pay press.
Ndiri press.
Ndi fakawo.
Oh, ayere ufukawo. Una mikoro. Mingo nya fakfi. Ndi ntite ba.
And so what thing you they press?
Laptop now, you know, street now, online.
Ndombo ke yara.
Ate ki si fak laptop.
Ndiri laptop.
Ekebu fakawo.
Oh, ekebu fukawo. Ke nya si kama fukawo.
Arete.
Ndi ntite ba.
And so?
And my client doesn't seem to be paying. She's giving me tough time.
Ndombo ke yara.
Ate ke client is si pay.
Ndiri client.
Me bon mfiawo nten.
Nfia wonten. Nsoka yana na. Bo ya men tiru ba ko temese.
So what thing be your real work?
Yahoo now, press. Is a press for a living.
Ndombo ke yara.
Ate ki nam yahoo.
Oh, ayeri yahu. Ndiri yahu.
Me fu yeme kok.
Before you moko. Ayo yo moko. Ato mempia wonten. Aka me kebo fukawo. Ayo muram fok menten. Oh, say yang wana ni do.
Utata ke do.
Maiyero. Ukwan ibut ede.
Abang mi.
Dogo fukawo mi adada mi. Be yo nam sompa. No ye.
So what thing you want me de bang do for you?
I want the urban to do something, like to do anything for me that will make my clients start paying me fast before the chairman takes me out of the house.
Ate ki yama for nam po ano imo so that me bono fia won tene me kan ekpe imo kok before chairman abne mo si ogulo.
Ndiri chairman.
Me po wi fu.
Oh, me po ifu. Oh, mpam mo yene. Kuto. Oh, ayeri yeno ko. Ayara ko nam kon na imo. Bak me
fia won tene kan ekpe.
Oh, ye ke mi yanam siru rongasie. Eri boye meye keme arabo.
You go fit stand collect wetin they want give you, so.
I'm ready for anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm down.
Ayara ronga ide.
Abo ki my middle ready ndibo. Ki my middle down.
Ndiri down.
Ki yo mi tie ki song.
Ndoke ye de ke ntenyu na me. Doko ye ke nyom ke ye tie ki song. Ke nyom me de mesie mo.
He say no want you to lay down. You need your back.
Don't fuka mi arara mi. Kemi. Nyami ayi kpare me yon. Nyami mami ayi kpare me yon. Memfia wonten. Eye kpe ye ko.
He said that they will flock you the underworld flock. What? When they flock you the underworld flock? Oh, you go pay.
Just that?
Just that.
You be mumu.
Anyara gariri.
Abang ate, just that oh.
Ndiri just that.
Aboke ya bena fona makanado.
Oh, abana nega dem mia ye. Smageri o mongora yere. Mairo, ogun ibut me young.
Abang me.
Don't fuck with me. You only the message on me.
Yeah, oh boy. Turn around.
Anything for the money.
I don't want it.
I do anything for the money.
I want to read it.
Come and be word on you.
You me a young wood. Nya young me a young wood. Don't get it. But me, Mpia won't any fun.
How many clients you get?
Yes, I have them up to 10.
I had all it.
I will give me some 10.
I read it.
Do it.
Habasi. If Rafi our whoop. And oh, yes, I didn't know what whoop came in young me. It may young good whoop.
Yes, since you get 10 clients, they will flock you. 10 on the one flock. What? What that?
I had all it.
That's what I mentioned, Mom.
That's what I'm among. No, you gave me mammy and you buried me young. I could in young. One tenacity and you make me young.
They say when they flock you, the underworld flock, you mention the names of your client one by one.
That's not a problem, man.
I had a holiday.
I take it over for now.
Eddie, mammy, I am a bumpo. Kayabiara.
Then when they flock you, you shout. It don't spoil.
Shit! I had a holiday.
Take it for ya, bro.
Me, I can't for one. I
Take it.
am not a rock body.
Oh,
You move for our. I have been fucking go to the city.
Ah, Angelina Choice.
Somebody here.
I take a choice in Ghetto.
Did choice?
Udongan.
Nimi, I am. And you have your word here.
Now that's it.
Miss Maggie, Eddie. Oh, yeah, but I can't be.
This one don't spoil, you don't shout.
I've been seen.
I had a holiday.
I tell I feel seen.
I want to read it.
Give me a yen.
If I go, you know.
Nan
Me back with a Yankee so.
Oh,
Miss Maggie, you have your word here.
Anya,
I get it.
I feel seen.
Miss Maggie.
Oh, Abumuno too much.
Ah, shit, man.
Don't you can't be.
That one don't
May
spoil.
God not allow them make them kill you.
Done again.
I'm not doing it again.
Make better so.
I want to go and walk.
I had a holiday.
I take my number by yaking a mutual.
Oh, you're making a mutum.
Ah,
I was saying, buy me a head and for a young or for our tea. Get out with them. Are you making for our?
say you can do anything for money.
Dami! Oh, yeah, Dami.
Stand there.
My hero. Oh, bunny, but I am
Abang me.
yeah, who for a woman you were already. Him a young candy for a woman. Don't you? What's your cock?
They say if you sure say you know they do yahoo yahoo. But they press people, they collect money again. Make you come out money pay.
For what? For no solution?
A thief.
Okay, thank you for watching Love Nation.
Entertainment.
See you next week.
Saturday.
Mbo, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Make sure you don't skip the ads.
I beg you to subscribe and share our video. Ufowakam is always uploaded on every Saturday. But we can upload our video anytime. So share our video, drop your comments, please.
Okay?
Now, we want to teach you something. Repeat after me. Say, ooh, for, come, si, san, wan. Awara kurwa. One me awara kurwa. Please, if I come season 1 awara kurwa, please grab your copy.
Now.